Hello, this is Tim Henson. Today I'm going to show you how to use Mfi power sensor monitoring software. So first you need to open up Chrome, navigate to the link that I supplied to everyone here. Here's your login screen. You might come to a certificate warning page. Just click on the advance and continue to page. Login, admin, password, great food, 2019, and the great food has capital G. Once you're in here, there's a few options that you have available. You can go to devices. You can see if your devices are active, the recording data, the current values of each of the device. This is real time or up to every 2 minutes. You can set it up to every 5 seconds. You have your manual refresh here. Also, you can go to data. I've set up custom views for custom. So you would click on that. And here you can see, let's just do by last hour, and you can see your average samples probably every minute or so, probably every minute. You can also do day view. Obviously here I started the server up around 1:30. You can do week, month, and then you can actually bring up previous months. So currently on this system, you are set up to store up to 3 months. Let's set that to a year. Apply, minimize. Ultimately as well, we have rules, high temp alarm. These can be modified and added upon. They're basically set up as if and structure. So coming to this, so right now I have 2 alarms set up for zone 1 and zone 2. If greater than 6 degrees Celsius, send an email to myself, Jordan Visser, and Jerry Visser, and then you can do other sensor rules. So if you would like to have like an alarm or a light start flashing if the temperature starts getting too high, we can use Mfi or M-Power control bars to initiate basically power to a circuit based on if these conditions are met. Also, there is the mapping feature here requires Adobe Flash, and basically all that is doing is you can put a schematic of your building and place your sensors in kind of the area that they are so that you can reference, okay, this side of the fridge is this side of the fridge is that. It tends to be have a bigger issue setting this up than anything, so I generally do not set that up. Events, so these are your triggers based on your rules. You can see how many times the zones have gone over, how long they've been over, how many alerts you've had in the last, well, up to a month, and then you can scroll through the years. Also scenes. Scenes won't apply to you guys. Energy won't apply to you guys, but you can actually also set up some voltage and power monitors here and kind of an idea of what your usage is. It works for more or less consumer grade stuff, not commercial. So that brings it down to that. You can also see events here when people's logged in, checked. See also alerts here of disconnected sensors. Currently I have it set up so that you should receive a notification on disconnect. Oh, actually, I will receive a notification on disconnect on the devices if they lose connection. None of these are here because they don't get updates anymore. This is an old software, old technology. The newer stuff ultimately costs a lot more money. So we're just gonna leave that. That's where you set up your password. Please do not change because if there's an issue with restoring and stuff, or if the password gets typed in incorrectly, I cannot access the system anymore and it's gone. All the information is gone. Here you can change between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Let's set your proper time zone here. Eastern Standard, -5. Daylight savings. No, it's not daylight savings. Okay. Apply. You can change if you're following the energy consumption. You can actually have put in the proper cents that you pay per kilowatt hour. Everything else on here is pretty straightforward. You log in. The easiest place to go to find the data on your sensors is here, and then I just go like last hour, day. You can sort. So if you guys have any other questions, feel free to ask me, and you can always watch this video again. And that's pretty much it. Okay. Let me stop the recording.